back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. One thing is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where I like to make and to show my fans them what you can also make at home. Anyway, I'm going to make you a red onion and cucumber salad with some dry chili pepper. I don't remember if I did something similar like that before, but I know sometimes I do something similar. 95% of cucumber is water. 5% is just fiber. Basically, I want you guys to watch this video, make this salad at home. Please tell a friend, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. It's a simple salad recipe, guys. It's just the flavor and the taste and everything to it is just amazing. All right, tune into the show, and remember one thing: clicking the bell can't go wrong. You get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. And you know, this one, cucumber and red onion salad with dry chili. Nice. Stay tuned. And lovely. So basically, I have a medium size, a large cucumber cut into half. All I'm going to do, you can use your knife or a peeler to remove the skin like this. So I'm gonna just take my little time and remove the skin. I'm using a small knife to remove the skin, but you can use a peeler, which is much better. So this is what I'm doing right now, removing the skin of the cucumber. And I'm gonna do the next half same way. Nice and lovely. So all I'm going to do now is I'm gonna show you something. What I'm gonna do next also too is get a fork and mark on the cucumber like this. All right. Nice one. So that's what happened with the cucumber at the moment. The second thing, I'm gonna use a small knife and cut it very, not too thick, very finely. So it's good to use a sharp knife. And I'm gonna put it straight inside of that big bowl. All right, straight in this big bowl. You see that? As you can see, the difference of the cucumber when you use a fork and mark it around is a big difference. Same thing with this. I'm gonna do the same rest of half. Nice and lovely. So I'm just simple Oh man, this is beautiful. I like. This is amazing. Lovely and nice. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right there with the cucumber. 95% of the cucumber is just water. And you know, maybe the other 5% is simple. So 1 medium size red onion. Cut off the 2 edges, top, bottom, and top, just like this. Simple cut into half, just like that. And simple, very. See that? That is amazing. Then we're going to put this straight inside of the bowl like this. Just use a hand and just crush it together. Alright, then we're going to get the same amount of half of a cucumber, same way. See that? Same thing we're gonna do. We're gonna take it and just crush it apart. Then what we're gonna do next is to get some dried chili. Put on it with a little bit of pepper. This is amazing. This is amazing. You don't need I'm telling you, you doesn't need any oil on this. Just as it is right here. That's what you need. So what you're gonna do now is scrape it out inside of the bowl. This is amazing, guys. This is fantastic. I never see anything like this in my whole entire life. Look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. All you need now is a little bit of green on it to bring off a lovely color, but you don't need to. If you just leave it as it is at the moment, you can see exactly what I like. If I get even, say, some of my spring onion for color. It's just for color. And we're gonna simple just put that on it. Just for color, guys. And honestly, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So we're gonna simple sprinkle this on top of it for color. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Just crack a little bit of pepper on the outside of it for a lovely, lovely romantic color. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch the video, and also subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright guys, so as you can see, all the recipe looks so amazing and fantastic. So tune into more recipe and more ideas, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.